Welcome to the final chapter of India's UNESCO Heritage Wonders. Gujarat, where civilizations rose from the desert. In Gujarat, history lies etched in earth and sand. At Champaner, Pavgarh, forts, palaces, and mosques stand frozen in the past, a forgotten capital rediscovered by time. Further north, Rani Ki Vav unfolds like a palace carved underground, its walls shimmering with mythological grace. In the White Rann, Dholavira remains a Harappan city of planning, power, and precision, a 1,000-year-old heartbeat of the Indus Valley. And at the core of modern Gujarat stands the historic city of Ahmedabad, India's first UNESCO urban heritage, where stepwells, havelis, mosques, and pole streets weave a living tapestry of culture, craft, and community. Maharashtra, a symphony of stone, art, and empire. In Maharashtra, paintings whisper from cave walls, the Ajanta caves glowing with Buddhist murals, and the mighty Ellora caves carved with gods, faith, and imagination stand as masterpieces of devotion and chiseled wisdom. Across the sea, the Elephanta caves guard Shiva's cosmic dance in silent basalt. In Mumbai, heritage meets steel and steam at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, a Gothic jewel of rail glory, and the Victorian Gothic and Art Deco ensembles where old world elegance walks with modern dreams. Goa, where faith echoes through arches. In Goa, beyond golden sands and waves, stand the churches and convents of old Goa, cathedrals, altars, and carved facades that carried faith across seas, a blend of Portuguese grace and Indian spirit. Chandigarh, a city designed like a thought. In Chandigarh, architecture becomes philosophy. The work of Le Corbusier shaped a modern city where design breathes space, order, and light, a testament to vision captured in concrete and geometry. Uttarakhand, where valleys bloom beneath sacred peaks. In Uttarakhand, nature paints in colors no artist can replicate. The Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers national parks burst into life, meadows glowing with orchids and alpine blossoms guarded by snow peaks that touch the heavens. Himachal Pradesh, railways through cloud and cedar. In Himachal, the wild whisper of the Himalayas calls. The Great Himalayan National Park shelters rare forests, rivers, and creatures, a sanctuary of raw, untamed beauty. And climbing through pine and mist, the Kalka Shimla Railway winds like a toy train from storybooks, a journey through altitude and nostalgia. And with this, our voyage across India's 44 UNESCO World Heritage Sites finds its summit,